Water. The key to understanding water is that your body is made up of 60% water. So your bones, muscles, tissues, organs, blood, hair, everything within you relies on water. It's important to note, for health and proper body function, we must aim to drink 50% of our body weight in ounces of quality water daily. Thrive. Water timing is everything. In order to best facilitate your body function, you should prioritize 20 to 25% of your daily water intake to first thing in the morning, right when you wake up. Before coffee or food, I know that's hard, hydrate from your night of repair and recovery. That act alone is dehydrating. And that's what you need to know about water.